Like, man, who does that if not Diana? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So on today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to another of the Ankudinova song, guys. And guess what? We're gonna be reacting to Blizzard by Ankudinova. Guys, we're gonna be doing that today. Yay! I'm so excited to react to this one, guys. So guys, if you are new to my channel, this is your girl in the Maka, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell for more updates on my video, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. So guys, I've reacted to some of her songs, some of Diana's song, which I'm gonna be leaving up the link up there, here or here. Either way, I don't know, but I'm gonna be leaving up the link here and also in the description box below. Please do me a favor and check out those of my reaction to. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to my wonderful family, guys. So guys, let's not waste much of the time. Let's just head straight into the video, guys.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима.
Guys, first of all, I love this intro. Like, I love this intro. Did you guys see the snow coming down? Like, it's like a different intro from all the reaction I've been doing. Like, this particular intro, it's really amazing. Like, it's different. Like, I love this one. I love this one.
Белый снег ночью и днем, и меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь.
Like, Diana keep doing this all the time. Keep doing this all the time. Like, she keep doing this on the stage all the time. Her sweet melodious voice, guys, like, it always fills my heart with joy. Like, I enjoy this her song. Gosh, just look at the melodious and not just look at, like, feel her melodious voice in your heart. Like, the way she just goes down, and you know, she keep doing this on the stage, and I gave it to her. I love you, Diana. Diana, I love you.
Где-то, но не со мной.
Did she just say she loved that? Because me, I love it. I already love the song. Like, I love the song. What? Like, she just gave it to her. Yes, she deserves it. She deserves it even more. Diana deserves it.
Где-то там, в тишине, ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым.
No, guys, like, they just gave it to her. Like, she deserves more, guys. She deserves more. This Diana girl keep turning my head, like spinning my head. No, she deserves more, like more and more. I'm just a big fan of Diana. God, her voice is melodious. Like, it's everything, guys. It's sweet. It's and I also love this her stage background, the way the snow and everything is just coming out, and also her outfit. Did you guys notice her outfit? Her outfit is superb. Whoever did that, you know, they are like, I really love this outfit, and also the stage, like the way the whole snows, like the snow is coming out, something like, I think it's the snow kind of, the way it's coming out, giving the stage that stage lightning and all of that. It's really amazing, guys. The way she's taking it, Dana, like, I'm feeling it from here. The vibe is strong. Diana, please now. Diana, please take it easy on me. Diana, please take it easy on me. See the way she just goes, oh, like, man, who does that if not Diana? It's just like she's, you know, all those when they say angels are singing in heaven, she's one of them. Like, she's singing like an angel, like she's everything, guys. An ovation. She sure deserves that standing ovation. Like, woo! Like, I love this one. Like, I really love this one. This one too is it is one of my favorite too at this time. Like, it is one of my favorite, guys. Like, I really do enjoy this one. Like, I enjoyed the intro, her dressing, the background stage, everything about the song. Like, I really enjoyed it. The way she like brought out that her melodious voice again and gave it to us as usual. You know, everything about the song is amazing, guys. Like, I really enjoyed this one, for real. Like, I enjoyed this her song. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well as I did, because I really enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates on my video, guys. Please share to your family and friends, like and comment, and also, guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe. You know, I'll always keep begging you guys, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching today's video with me. Until I see you again in my next one, guys. Bye.